Welcome to the discovery of smartest animal, dolphins, the ocean's thinkers. Beneath the shimmering surface of the world's oceans lives a creature whose brilliance rivals our own, the dolphin. At first glance, dolphins are playful swimmers, leaping joyful above the waves. But look closer and you will see something extraordinary. Behind their sparkling eyes lies a mind capable of problem solving, communication, and emotions as deep as the sea itself. For centuries, sailors told stories of dolphins guiding lost ships, rescuing drowning humans, and even warding off sharks. What was once thought to be legend is now backed by science. Dolphins are not only intelligent, they are compassionate. Communication is at the heart of their genius. Dolphins use a complex language of whistles, clicks, and body movements. Each dolphin is believed to have a unique signature whistle, a name. Imagine in the silence of the deep sea, one dolphin calling out to another and receiving an answer, just as humans call each other by names. But their brilliance does not stop at language. Dolphins display problem-solving skills that rival young children. In captivity, they learn tricks not by rote repetition but by understanding patterns. In the wild, they coordinate hunts with precision. Picture this: a group of dolphins encircle a school of fish, driving them into a tight ball, then taking turns diving into to feed. Others create mud rings in shallow waters, trapping fish inside a circular prism. These hunting strategies are not instinct, they are learned behaviors passed down across generations. And perhaps most astonishing of all, dolphins recognize themselves in mirrors. Very few species on Earth can do this. This ability proves a level of self-awareness, a realization of I exist. This is a rare sign of higher consciousness, placing dolphins among the elite minds of the animal kingdom. But beyond intelligence, dolphins reveal something deeper: emotion. Mothers care for their calves with tenderness, and countless accounts tell of dolphins rescuing humans in danger, lifting them to the surface when they were drowning, or pushing them toward shore. Science continues to uncover the mysteries of dolphin intelligence. Brain scans reveal that their cerebral cortex, the area linked to thought, memory, and awareness, is incredibly complex, rivaling our own. They may not build cities or write books, but in their watery world, they have mastered survival, communication, and empathy in ways we are only beginning to understand. The dolphin is not just a creature of the sea, it is a thinker, a communicator, a problem solver, and perhaps one of our closest reflections in the natural world. In their their whistles and leaps, they remind us of a powerful truth that intelligence is not confined to humankind. It swims beside us in the vast, endless blue of the oceans. And the next, the African elephant, the gentle giants of memory. Across the endless savannas of Africa and the misty jungles of Asia, walk the largest land animals on earth. The elephants, majestic, powerful, and yet incredibly gentle. Elephants are not just creatures of size, but of astonishing intelligence. An elephant never forgets. This saying is not a myth. Scientists have proven that elephant possess one of the most remarkable memories in the animal kingdom. A matriarch, the oldest and wisest female of a herd, can recall the location of distant waterholes after decades when drought strikes. She leads her family across vast and barren lands to survival, guided only by memory written deep within her mind. But memory is only the beginning. Elephants are emotional beings. They have been seen mourning their dead, gently touching the bones of lost relatives with their trunks, as if paying respect. Families pause for long minutes at the resting place of a fallen elephant, returning after years in a ritual that mirrors human drive. Their intelligence also shines in empathy. When a calf cries, others rush to comfort it, touching and stroking it with their trunks. Injured members are not left behind. The herd will slow its pace, guarding the weak, waiting until they can continue together. Such compassion is rare in the wild. Communication among elephants is another wonder. They use deep rumbles and insidious vibration, infrasound so low that humans cannot hear them, to speak across miles. Through this hidden language, the coordinate movements send warning and call each other across the plains. Scientists believe this form of communication may be one of the most complex in the animal kingdom. And then there is their creativity. Elephants have been observed using branches to swat flies, digging holes to access hidden water, and even drawing. When given tools, their problem-solving ability is proof that their intelligence is not instinct alone. It is innovation, but perhaps the most striking thing about elephants is the reflection of ourselves that we see in them. Like us, they form families. They share knowledge across generations. They display joy in play, sorrow in loss, and wisdom in age. The elephant is more than a giant of the land. It is a keeper of memory, a guardian of family, a voice of compassion, and a reminder that intelligence and emotion are not ours alone. When we look into the eyes of an elephant, we do not just see an animal, we see a mind ancient, powerful, and unforgettable. And the third is dogs, humanity's emotional partners. For over 30,000 years, one animal has walked beside humanity, not as prey, not as predator, but as partner, the dog, more than loyal companions, dogs possesses a unique kind of intelligence, one rooted in emotion, empathy, and an extraordinary ability to connect with us. Unlike most animals, dogs understand human gesture, point in one direction, and a dog will follow. Speak a command, and a dog will learn its meaning. Some breeds can recognize hundreds of words, revealing the language skills of primates, but what truly sets dogs apart is their ability to read our emotions. A dog can sense sadness in our posture, joy in our voice, or fear in our heartbeat. They know us better than we know ourselves. Scientists have revealed something remarkable. When a dog gazes into its owner's eyes, both release oxytocin, the same hormone that bonds mothers to their children. This invisible chemical thread explains why dogs wait by doors for hours, why they comfort us when we cry, and why they risk their lives to protect us. Their intelligence is not measured in tools or puzzles, but in love, trust, and loyalty. But dogs are not only emotional geniuses, they are also problem solvers. From sheepdogs herding thousands of animals with precision, to police dogs detecting explosives, to rescue dogs finding survivors buried under rubble, their skills are unmatched. Some dogs are even trained to detect illness like diabetes or cancer before doctors can. And yet, perhaps their greatest genius lies in their partnership with us. Unlike wolves, from which they descended, dogs evolved to live alongside humans. They have adapted to read our body language, to follow our rules, to become not just an animal we use but family members we love. And the next is for crows, the tool markers of the sky, high above the forest and cities, cloaked in black feather leaves a bird that may seem ordinary at first glance, but inside its small skull lies one of the sharpest minds in the animal kingdom, the crow. Crows are master problem solvers. In laboratories, scientists have tested them with puzzles that would challenge a young child, and the crows solved them with astonishing skill. They can bend sticks into hooks to pull food from tight space. They can drop pebbles into water-filled tubes to raise the water level and reach floating trees. They even understand the cause and effect principle that many animals never grasp.